Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Welcome back to Cloud Patashala. And before that, thank you very much. Now we are 1K reached um, Cloud Patashala channel. Thank you very much for subscribing and supporting me. Thank you. And today video is not technically, it's a future like DevOps. Well, nowadays, a lot of people, lot of companies are looking as a DevOps persons. So DevOps, what is the future of DevOps? So how is the transformation DevOps into different areas? So already transformation happened, but people are not realize it or not aware of the things. Just for that, I'm creating this video. So for your understanding how market is a transformation and DevOps side especially. So like it's this buzzword like XOps. Most of the people might be not aware. If you are familiar also, XOps might be not familiar on that. What are the things we have to do it? What are the technologies we need to support it? Might be some people not familiar. So that's the reason I'm creating this video. Okay, XOps. It's kind of a DevOps related guys, and it's not any new technology or new thing. It's a XOps means it's kind of multiple related automation related things. Automation means it's a kind of, it will come is a DevOps, DevSecOps, AIOps, and MLOps, and the Cloud Ops, and Data Ops. These are a lot of things it will come into the picture. What are the things? So how can I'm saying this XOps? So not only saying me guys, it's an in the market. If you like already, I'm trying to switch to another company, and for I'm getting the lot of calls, and directly they are not mentioned XOps, but they are asking their requirement, technical requirement wise, it's kind of XOps only. Why I'm saying it's kind of XOps? In XOps, I already said a lot of things will come into the picture. So I can show you some of the uh, articles over the internet also, so that you can realize that, oh, something XOps is there, and the future this is a one. Not only future, already started, guys. It's a in hidden thing wise, I can say this is already started. Okay, so simple thing. If you are a normal infra guy, or it's kind of automation like developer, already everyone is using DevOps. Security wise, for security measures and everything, DevSecOps we are already using. And data engineering guys, data engineer guys, it's nowadays their expectation is a companies that one also data engineer pipelines, data factory, data bricks, or whatever, Synapse Analytics, or any other thing in data engineering related. All the things also automation wise DevOps through pipelines. Okay, automate the things. Already we know buzzwords, AIOps and MLOps. That is also like ops means it's kind of ML engineer develop that models, and that models needs to be operational. So how it will happen? Again, that ML ops person is going to take care end to end. How it's automate the pipelines, and how to deploy it or release, and everything it will monitoring, and everything they will take care. So that is a MLOps, AOps, it will come into the picture. And cloud ops, what is a cloud ops? Is a cost optimization wise, FinOps related, and those all those things, cloud operations. That means cloud ops, it will come into the picture. So like that, it's so each and every area, already, they are moving to the DevOps related. It's kind of XOps because of the respective things. It's moving to the DevOps, and all the things is a ops is a common everywhere. Is a ops is a common, guys. That's the reason we are calling the XOps. In XOps, everything it will come into the picture. So what is like furtherly we need to learn means we need to focus on all the things. That is the way, um, this is a XOps. And you can see if you go to the Google and search XOps. So in XOps, what is XOps? They are not given here. Simply learn one of these site, and other sites also xops.io, and so many websites is available. But I can tell you, instead of training institutes or organizations something, instead of one of the like Mindtree, L&T Mindtree, that company is also created some articles. I found the thing I want to show. Okay, it's not recent. This is an article, or it's you can observe here 2022. That means 2 years back. Some of the articles 2021 also. That means 3 years back. So the rise of XOps. If you click on this one, and you can see L&T Mindtree is it's there, and you can see guys, DevOps, SecOps, DataOps, InfraOps, AI and MLOps, and CloudOps. So these all things is a coming to as a XOps guys. And DevOps is a common for everywhere. That is the center of the thing. Collaboration, automation, integration, security and compliance, SecOps. And DataOps means data provision, governance, and quality related. InfraOps, managing physical and virtual environments. And intelligent monitoring and detection in MLOps. And CloudOps means cloud monitor, governance, FinOps management, finance management. So you can observe here, guys, that means everywhere is a using DevOps. So that means everyone should learn and get the knowledge and experience on the DevOps guys. Otherwise, in future, it's a very difficult and like sustain in the IT market. In IT market, you want to sustain in the future wise, you must and should learn DevOps guys. That is a very important, not only specific area, in all areas is a DevOps already, there, and the company is asking that way. Slowly you can see some of the profiles also in the Naukri and what their expectation. So common thing. So as my knowledge, I'm sharing my things, my views, my opinion, guys. So Docker and Kubernetes, very important, guys. Everywhere using that Docker and Kubernetes, and especially the DevOps related. So a lot of tools are there, Jenkins, GitLab, like Azure DevOps, or so many things are there. Those things also we should familiar and understand the things. And AML pipelines are Groovy pipelines, because of its Groovy is using in Jenkins, and AML is generally Azure DevOps will use it. Yes, and Python especially is a Python is a very important in the, like when you are working on data engineering, Python is required, and AI and ML, it's also Python is required, and a lot of areas Python is using. Python also very important. So like this, it's a major, very high major. I'm saying these are the tools, and it's other than that, Terraform also very important. Infrastructure as a service wise, that is a infra ops or something, deployment wise resources. Terraform also very important. So like this, these are tools minimum is required, guys. Even Ansible also configuration management wise, that is also very important, guys. So that means everyone should learn and support or work on the DevOps side, guys. So slowly you have to learn and understand the things, and all areas we should familiar in future. So company's expectation, the team or person should have knowledge and experience in all these areas. In the single area, they are not looking into, all areas they are looking into in future. Now it's individually they are asking, if you are a data engineer, their expectation is you have to perform the automation also through DevOps pipeline. SecOps means, so nowadays is a still DevOps person is a SecOps related, and a collaboration with the security team. Accordingly, it's a performing, and it's kind of MLOps AIOps separate, and that is a one, and already it's there. And InfraOps, again, it's a DevOps person is already InfraOps also managing, and CloudOps also, again, it's a like little bit, DevOps person only managing. So in future, you can observe here, everything is a single, the team or single person to manage it, all DevOps related. That means XOps related needs to be managed, guys. That means we should, hurry up to learn and gain the experience for sustain the IT market. Otherwise, it's not easy, guys. That's my opinion. So thank you. If you like this video, please like and click on bell icon click on subscribe and bell icon, guys. Thank you.